Hi friends, welcome to Veena's Blue Roses. Today we will make Kashmiri Pulao and Kadai Paneer. For Kashmiri Pulao, I have taken 1 cup basmati rice and soaked it for 20 minutes. Other ingredients we needed are thinly sliced carrots, some finely sliced beans, then some whole spices, 1 cinnamon stick, bay leaf, cardamom and cloves. To make this pulao, we will add some dry fruits and nuts. Here I have taken some chopped almonds, cashews and raisin. To cook the rice, I have taken half cup milk and 1.5 cup water. To this pulao, we will be adding fruits. So I have taken 1 apple chopped, some grapes, and some pomegranate seeds, some fried onions, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon shah jeera. We will be cooking vegetables and rice separately. So to first cook the vegetables, I have heated 1 pan and added water. Along with it, add chopped vegetables. Then add required salt. Cook until the vegetables gets soft. Let it cook. In the meanwhile, in another gas stove, I have heated 1 cooker. You can take any heavy bottomed pan. Add ghee, add whole spices. Then I am adding rice. Saute it for few minutes. Then add 1.5 cup water to it. Then add half cup milk. Stir. Now add required salt. Wait until it gets cooked. Stir occasionally, otherwise the rice will accumulate at the bottom of the pan. Wait until the rice gets cooked. Now the rice is ready. Fluff it with 1 fork, otherwise rice tend to break. Spread in a big plate so that it won't get sticky. To make pulao in a pan, I have heated ghee. Now add shah jeera to it. Once it's hot, we'll add all chopped nuts which we have kept. Fry it. Add raisin at the end. Let it puff up. Then we'll add cooked vegetables. Saute it. Now we can add cooked rice to it and mix everything together. Now we can add fried onions and other fruits. Add fruits of your choice. If you have saffron, soak saffron in milk and can add so that it will give nice flavor to it. Now the Kashmiri pulao is ready. Kadai paneer goes well with this Kashmiri pulao. Let's make kadai paneer. To make kadai paneer, I have taken some paneer which I have soaked in water as it was store bought. Other ingredients are 1 onion chopped, ginger, garlic and 2 tomatoes chopped. I have taken 1 onion petal and some capsicum which I have cubed. Other things we needed are some kasuri methi which is dried fenugreek leaves and kadai masala. To make kadai masala, we need 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 red chilies and some peppercorns. To make kadai masala, we are going to dry roast the ingredients. For that I have heated 1 pan, added peppercorns, red chilies, coriander seeds and dry roast. Add Kashmiri red chilies if you have. Add cumin seeds at the end so that it won't get burnt. Saute everything together. Once you get nice aroma, switch off the flame and let it cool. Once it's cool, powder it and our kadai masala is ready. Now heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Along with it, add ginger, garlic and sliced onion. Saute it until the onions get transparent. Once the onions are transparent, add chopped tomatoes to it. Cook everything until it's mushy. Once it's mushy, we will take it out and cool it off in a mixer jar and grind it. Now to make, add butter in a pan. Once the butter melts, add whole spices to it. Add kasuri methi. Saute everything together. Then add cubed capsicum and onions. Fry it and remove it from the pan. To the same pan, I am adding grounded onion tomato paste. We have to cook it until it oozes out oil. Now I am adding prepared kadai masala. Add masala according to your taste. Now cook until it's get thickened. Once it's thickened, we can add water if we want our kadai paneer in gravy form. Otherwise, just add paneer and cook for 2-3 minutes. Now I want gravy, so I am adding water at this stage. Now I am adding paneer to it. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, we will add the fried capsicum and onions which we have cubed and kept. After 2-3 minutes, our kadai paneer is ready. This kadai paneer goes well with pulao, chapati, paratha, etc. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedbacks. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Veena's Blue Roses for more videos.